yakisiimye Weasle teyakisiimye Weasle yagambye mumanyiira nnyo temumpise ku show yammwe temumpadde ku ssente muleese omunigeria awuzuumira ku luyimba lwaffe bwe bubaka bwa Weasle bwataddeyo ku page yabwe gye bayita Already and Weasle. Ugandan event organizers, why do you invite international artists to come and perform our own songs without consulting us? What they are? Lwaki mutujoga nnyo man? Tugende maaso, let's see what happened. Another statement. Okay. Ronnie Pro. I don't think there is a problem.
In what? In performing.
What Chike did.
Okay, me too.
Weasle, I don't think there is a problem. This time it was serious.
Mostly when it comes to social media.
No, but you see, this is a sensitive matter.
Very.
This is what you're talking about.
Very.
Because sing at in the radio.
But you know how it feels now and all about Muyimbi Blalavudde Mugwange Dala Munyimba Zabayimbi Bonna, not to Imbi Radio and Weasle. I believe it was something good. The statements is this title.
Okay, what you young at the corner was already to Chile. Yes, Kakati. Okay. Where he makes a statement is maybe Tebamu is say. Chechamulumye. Naye,
so when you are going
I'm
to perform,
sure,
let me say oluyimba lwa Rihanna ogenda muyita ku show.
Wayina okusonyiwa kubanga kyemmanyi ne promote yayise Chike teyategedde nti Chike had this package.
Ayinza n'okuba teyamuwadde kyayina kukola oyagadde bambi
akikole. But I think with due respect there is no problem.
And I also believe that no mukulu ready asobola okukola show natuyimbira ku luyimba lwa Chike, which is okay.
Peace Square nga bakegata bakola show when they are just gotten back together in Nigeria. They still sang radio song.
Very.
Bayimbi oluyimba lwa radio bayita nakudata nakudata on their show in Nigeria. The first show mu myaka nga 5 bukyabawukana, so we bamaze okwegata they sang the song. First of all, to me, I believe it's respect.
Very.
It is commemoration. Yes. Simanyi nyizo kuba ndi muchamu. I stand to be advised, but I don't think this was necessary. Naye Chike reacts. Chike tuchimubuzizaako, and this is why he did that performance anyway. Atunyonyode lwaki ku stage ye ng'omuntu yayimbye oluyimba lwa radio. Let us listen to Chike before we engage. Selector Williams.
Funny thing is, when I heard the song and realized how big it was here, and Sami Waleta, I was like, no, you need to open up with that. And I listened, and it was so easy to learn and so simple, but it really connects to you. So I wanted to be able to share in that moment, that he has created and left behind for us.
Okay. But the brother who he used to sing with, that's Weasle. He said you didn't get permission before performing the song.
Yeah, well, I can't comment on any of that. I don't have any information on what you just asked. But what I can say is, big respect to the music creators. I'm a music creator myself. No disrespect intended.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Diasi. That's a gentleman who was interviewing. Diasi, big up on yourself. Yes, so Chike agamba yakikoze mu mutima mulungi. He had no intention. Era akayimba yakawulidde kamunyumira nnyo. Era yasubidde nti kajja mubeerera kangu.
So he just wanted to embrace a fellow artist.
A fellow artist, which I think is not a problem. It's not bad.
It's not.
I stand to be advised. Weasle bobola basheno ne the Gargamel, whoever. I stand to be advised. Nayenza, I believe.
But still have your personal opinion.
Yes.
Right.
Changes so complaining akaira china complaining zeko yesterday for the promoters bringing these Nigerians here. Tokola show no jitimba yonna nejjulako Chike live in Uganda. Nedda Chike muteke konga nga you know, agenda better alongside Weasle, agenda better. Nabo bafune.
What I know, owaffe wagenda Nigeria, okuyimba ne ba Davido
So, and do that justice for them. Mubagatte koba na abantu poster Chike abere first gisharinga ku social media ye nenga ne Weasle kuli ajoze ne John Black wali ajoze ne
nwaji wafala
alabise kwegamba give them jobs. Actually minimum performing standards zensubira nti Ugandan government should put. You should never bring a foreign artist ngato employees bana Uganda. It has to be a guarantee nti kushojo oleso mna Uganda inokuera ko ne ba headline abe Uganda nga basatu. Bobato ina sente zigenda sasula mna Uganda oyo muyimba muleke. We're negotiating a less than what is in your budget nenga kuliko bana Uganda.
I believe this is one of the ways engeri omuyimbi mna Uganda jagenda okumanyika mu
exactly.
Mu bayimbi abalala.
But desperate to conquer Uganda. So let's use this chance to sell our artists there. Anyway, Selector William